Okay, students, good morning. In the morning session, we discussed about the power. Here, we discussed that power measures the speed of work done. The rate of doing work or the rate of transfer of energy is called power. Now, power is equal to work upon time. Power is equal to work upon time. So, as you know, the power P, okay, P is equal to W upon T. W is the energy or the work and T is the time. So the unit of power is the watt, and 1 watt equal to 1 joule per second, and larger, that is 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 joule per second. And average power means the total energy consumed divided by the total time taken is known as the average power. Now we discuss some in-text question, that is, what is power? So power is defined as the rate of doing work or the rate of transfer of energy. Second question, define 1 watt of power. The power of an agent or the power of a device or power of an appliance is 1 watt if it does work at the rate of 1 joule per second. Next question, a lamp consumes 1000 joule of electrical energy in 10 seconds. What is its power? A lamp consumes 1000 joule of electrical energy in 10 seconds. What is its power? Now power, as we know that W it is given, energy will be given 1000 joule, that is W is equal to 1000 joule, and time T is equal to 10 seconds will be given, and we have to calculate the power, that is capital P, we have to find out. Now as we know that power P is equal to W upon T, so W is equal to 1000 joule upon time T 10 seconds, so 0 0 cut and obtain the answer, that is 100 joule per second or 100 watt. So the power of the lamp is 100 watt. The next question, 4, define average power. The average power is defined as the total energy consumed divided by the total time taken is known as the average power. Again I repeat, the average power is defined as the total energy consumed divided by the total time taken. Now next topic, that is commercial unit of energy. We discuss the commercial unit of energy. The commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour, okay, that is kWh. 1 kWh, that is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is the energy used in 1 hour at the rate of 1000 joule per second. Okay, so here the unit joule is too small. The energy unit, that is joule, it is too small, so we use bigger unit of energy called the kilowatt hour, kWh. Okay, we use bigger unit of energy called the kilowatt hour, that is kWh. Let us say that we have a machine and it uses 1000 joule of energy every second. There is one machine and it utilizes energy, that is 1000 joule of energy every second. If this machine is used continuously for 1 hour, it will consume 1 kilowatt hour of energy. Thus 1 kilowatt hour is the energy used in 1 hour at the rate of 1000 joule per second. Here 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt multiplied by 1 hour. Now as you know that 1 kilo is equal to 1000, okay, W right, and then after 1 hour convert into second, so obtain, that is 3600 second. Now 36 1 36, then after we have to apply, that is 50, okay, joule. So 1 kWh equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. So here 1 unit, okay, that is energy used in our households, industries, some companies, okay, commercial established, are usually expressed in kilowatt hour, kWh. For example, electrical energy used during the month is expressed in terms of units. Here 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. 1 unit equal to 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. It means that 1 unit equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Now we take an example 11.9. An electric bulb of 60 watt is used for 6 hours per day. An electric bulb of 60 watt is used for 6 hours per day. Calculate the unit of energy consumed in 1 day by the bulb. Power of electric bulb, that is 60 watt, will be given. Okay, power of electric watt 60 watt will be given. Now this watt convert into kilowatt. Okay, so divided by 1000, 60 divided by 1000, so answer will be 0.06 kilowatt. And time it is given 6 hours per day, so T is equal to 6 hours. Calculate the energy. Now as we know that the power P is equal to work upon time. Okay, work upon time, that is work the energy. So energy is equal to power multiplied by time. Power is equal to 0.06 kilowatt and time is equal to 6 hours. 6 6 are 36, so answer will be 0.36 kilowatt hour. Okay, is equal to 0.36 unit. Okay, so the energy consumed by the bulb is 0.36 units. Then next activity, take a close look at the electric meter installed in your house. Observe its features closely. Take the reading of the meter each day at 6:30 am and 6:30 pm. How many units are consumed during daytime? How many units are consumed during night? Do this activity for about a week. Tabulate your observations. Draw inference from the data. Compare your observation in detail given in the monthly electrical bill. So here what you have to do here, add up the unit consumed during all the days in a month. This will give the total units of electricity consumed in a month. Take the reading at the beginning of the month and at the end of the month. The difference will give the unit of electricity consumed during the whole month. Multiply this reading by the rate of the unit. This is the actual amount of the electricity used. In the electricity bill, other charges are also added.